Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hey, yeah. Really busy. Cool. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. You guys, it is so dark outside. It's like 9:30 in the morning right now and it literally feels like 5 o'clock at night when it starts to get dark. Like, look at this, what the heck. So today's the first day of finals week. It's Monday and we have a really busy day today. I have not made my to-do list yet. I'm gonna do that, but I already know there's just a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to do today, and I am low-key failing at vlogmas, but it's fine. It's not fine, but like, it's fine. But yeah, so I am going to make my bed and I'm going to make my to-do list because I just need to get organized and I need to figure out what's going on. Also, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and even though it's super gloomy and dark, we're still gonna be super productive and get all of our stuff done today, and it's gonna be a great day. I feel like there's something in my eye, but I can't see anything. It definitely feels like there's something in my eye though. It's only 9:30 and I'm already struggling. Okay, here's my to-do list for today. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's a lot. For the stuff that I have to do today, I have to call the leasing office to my apartment to figure out some stuff with my apartment. I need to edit a few videos, film the sponsorship for this video actually, and plan my upcoming vlogmas videos because I don't have anything planned out for the end of this week. And this is all the stuff that I have going on today. Kind of a lot. So obviously I'm filming this vlog. I need to film and then also upload my Q&A because I'm filming that today. I have a final from 12 to 1:50 that's obviously online, and I'm also getting COVID tested again today at 3:30. I have an appointment at CVS. Again, like last time, I have absolutely no reason to get tested other than just being cautious before I go home for the holidays because I am going home later this week and my parents just wanted me to get tested just in case. But just like last time, I have not been exposed to anyone. I don't think I have it. I don't have any symptoms. I just want to be extra safe before I go home. And then I also have an exam that's just due by midnight tonight in one of my advertising and PR classes. So yeah, that's everything that's going on today. There's a lot of stuff. I'm a little stressed because of vlogmas stuff. What's new? I just really don't want to fail at vlogmas, but at the same time, like, it's just a lot of filming and editing and just constant stuff. But I've made it this far, so why quit now is basically my mentality. And I also just added respond to comments and respond to emails because for some reason I always forget to put that on my to-do list. So as you can tell, I am pretty much ready for today. I quickly threw on some makeup after I showered, and we're just gonna leave my hair like this because I'm too lazy to fix it. You know, just an oversized GV hoodie, some leggings, and slippers. It's finals week. We can't try too hard over here. But the last thing I have to do before I am all ready for today is, of course, put on my Dossier perfume, and I am so excited because today's video is actually sponsored by Dossier. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about them right now. So I've worked with Dossier on a few videos and I absolutely love their brand and I love sharing them with you guys. Dossier is an online perfume brand that creates high quality perfumes inspired by luxury classics. They are cruelty-free, vegan, and only include clean ingredients. It's paraben, colorant, and UV free as well. Their perfumes start at $29 and don't have any luxury markups, and they also have transparent prices. You can look on their website and see why they priced their items the way they do, which I think is super cool. And they totally understand that you're buying perfume off of a website, so you can't necessarily see like how it smells before you buy it. So they have a 30-day return policy where you can get a full refund, no questions asked. And I am so obsessed with their company and their perfumes. Every single one that I've gotten, it's like my new favorite every single time. And I think I have like 4 perfumes from them so far, and every single one I get, I'm just newly obsessed with. I'm literally in love with them. So this is the one that they sent me. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So this one is spicy vanilla, which is perfect for the winter time. It's very just like warm and cozy. And you also get a little card that describes your perfume and explains the notes in it, the inspiration, and all of this stuff. So this one was inspired by Tom Ford's Noir. So yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. It's so minimal and very my aesthetic. It's just me. It's very my aesthetic. And it also just smells amazing. They have perfumes for women, men, and unisex perfumes as well. And when you get the box, it also comes with a little tester in it, so you guys can try it out before you try out the actual bottle and return it, like I said, if you don't like it. But yeah, it smells absolutely amazing and I am so in love with them. They also have a perfume quiz you can take on their website, so you can put in your preferences and they can give you a few recommendations. They have scents inspired from Chanel, Versace, YSL, Armani, Tom Ford, and a lot more, and they're always coming out with new scents too. So yeah, you can use my coupon code on the screen right here, and I highly recommend you go and check out their website, and I will have all of their links and information in the down bar below so you guys can go check them out and go support them. So yeah, I'm gonna spray some of this on. Oh, it just smells so like warm and cozy and I literally love it. I'm obsessed. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys go and check them out. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So as you guys saw earlier, I made this coffee and I thought it would be good if I put like a Starbucks Frappuccino thing in it and added like normal coffee because those are like way too sweet for me, but it does not taste good at all. And I was kind of sad because I'm really tired and I needed coffee, but I got lucky because our leasing office is doing like, I don't even know, a resident appreciation week type of thing for finals, and they said that they have a coffee bar there. So we're gonna go get some coffee and it's gonna be a great time. Okay, I got the coffee. I brought my own mason jar. I'm like out of breath because we like ran back because it's freezing and starting to snow. But I got blonde roast with peppermint mocha creamer and whipped cream, and it's really good. So it's 10:49 and I am going to get one of my finals out of the way. I'm gonna do my Cap 115 final, which is just like my ad and PR class. It's due at 11:59, but I know I have editing and stuff later to do, so I'm not gonna want to do it. But it's only on 4 chapters and it's open note, so I feel like it won't be that bad. But I also don't know how many questions is on it. He didn't tell us, but we have 3 hours to do it, which I'm not gonna take 3 hours. I never take 3 hours to do exams and stuff, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you guys know how it is, what I got on it. That took me literally 10 minutes and it was pretty easy. Most of the stuff was just in the book and I only got 2 wrong out of 20. So that's not that bad. But I think it was more of a formality than like an actual final because we have a final project that is worth a lot more points than the final that I just took. But now I can check it off the to-do list, which is my favorite part ever. done. So I have an hour, 58 minutes to be exact, before my next final. So I'm gonna do some last minute studying for that and make sure, you know, everything's all good to go. I don't think it'll be too hard. This is for my computer science class, so I'm not super worried about it because we also had a final project in that class, so I don't think it'll be weighted very heavily on our grade. I just want to make sure everything is good to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some more computer work. If I need like a little break before I actually start the exam, I am gonna probably just respond to comments, maybe, you know, watch some TikToks. I also kind of want to curl my hair, but I don't really want to at the same time. Like, I want to have curled hair, but I don't want to put in the effort to curl my hair. Oh, and I also feel like I still have something in my eye. Life is good. Actually, life is not good. I have 3 minutes until my exam opens, so ooh, I'm nervous. It'll be fine.
Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree, honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate, but oh,
it honestly wasn't that bad. We got to use a few of our notes and stuff, so that was nice. They weren't really notes, it was like a paper converter type of thing that my professor helped us make, so we got to use that. That's why I was looking at my binder and stuff, but other than that, it really wasn't that bad. I didn't find out what I got though. She has to like go through and look at them, so it didn't give me a score at the end, but I don't know, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. But I am so hungry, so we're gonna go make some food.
more than anything, it's all the people.
So I finished eating and I don't know, my potatoes were not very good. But I was also watching an old episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Normally I try to watch Friends, but when I turn on the TV, Friends was just ending and then some random show came on after that. So I was kind of upset about that because I love watching Friends, but I am done with school stuff for now, at least. I have been working on school stuff all morning, but I am going to film the Q&A that I am actually uploading today. I know I need to get on it, but I have been so behind on vlogmas stuff. It really is just stressing me out, and like I literally don't have anything to upload today, so I'm filming a Q&A. I kind of planned ahead because I asked you guys yesterday for questions, but I am just so far removed from like everything I've been needing to get done, and I am just really stressed out. So yeah, I'm gonna go film this Q&A. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I don't think it will, but I'm gonna try to answer all of your guys' questions and kind of make it just like a fun, chill video. And no one is probably gonna watch it anyways. Whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go film that. It's 1:30, so I should be done around 2. Okay, so clearly I am in the car right now. I am about to leave to go get my COVID test done. Like I said earlier, I don't have COVID. I don't think I have COVID. I just wanted to get tested. My parents also wanted me to get tested before I came home, just to make sure everything was all good and safe before I came home, because I do live with 3 other people. So yeah, that's the only reason. I don't have symptoms. I'm good. I'm all safe. All that stuff. It is seriously freezing outside. I'm literally shaking. Okay, so I made it to CVS. I'm in the drive-through line right now. There's a few cars in front of me, but the GPS took me the weirdest way to get here. I was literally forced to go onto the highway and then get off at the first exit. It was really weird. I was literally on there for like 2 seconds. Very strange. But yeah, I'm in line. Not very excited about it because it's an uncomfy process if you've never gotten it before and didn't know.
Hello, are you here for a COVID test? Alright, unfortunately because of that I'm not going to be able to...
Guys, I'm so stupid. Oh, that was such a waste of time. It's fine, it's not the end of the world. I'll make another appointment. I feel really stupid. Okay, I'm back home after over an hour of wasted time. I'm still so mad at myself. I'm gonna edit my video. It's gonna be up pretty late tonight because it's already 4:30 and I haven't started editing it yet. So it's probably gonna go up a little late. So sorry about that. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Hi guys, so I want to say it's like 8:30 now. I finally got my video up. It ended up going up really late, and I'm just glad that I haven't missed a day of vlogmas yet. So I haven't vlogged in a while. I think I showed you guys my spinach and artichoke dip. That was really good. It's from Trader Joe's. I pretty much ate that for dinner. I ate so bad today. I really want to go to the grocery store and get eggs because I think I'm gonna be here a little bit longer than I was anticipating. I thought I was gonna leave maybe Wednesday or Thursday, but I think I'm gonna end up staying until possibly Saturday. I'm not really sure yet. So we'll see what ends up happening, but honestly I just want to go to the store and get like eggs or something because I need my eggs for breakfast and I don't have eggs for breakfast. But yeah, I ate my spinach and artichoke dip, really good. The pita chips were also really good, and I got my video done. I watched some Food Network, and that was pretty much it. And then right now I am going to shower and then edit tomorrow's video. I feel like I've never done editing. Oh, and I ended up actually rescheduling my COVID test for tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to go all the way back there tomorrow. Other than that, I think I'm probably gonna vlog tomorrow too, because you know me. And I kind of wanna maybe film something else tomorrow. I don't know what though, because I know I'm gonna be really busy this weekend and I don't know if I'll be able to film anything that I'm doing. So yeah, I don't know. It's just been a really rough week. Like this past week, last week was really rough. I just feel so swamped and just so overwhelmed with everything going on. But the light is at the end of the tunnel and finals are almost over. Final projects are almost done and things are gonna get better. Vlogmas still sucks though. I'm just kidding. I love it. I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't love it. Oh, also I never said anything about my nails. I took my fake nails off. They were lifting really bad, so I'm gonna have my sister redo them when we go home for Christmas. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and let me know if you guys want to see any other videos and maybe I'll film those for you guys. Don't forget to check out Dossier. I will have all their info in the down bar below for you guys. But yeah, so that is gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlogmas video. Bye.
My cousins too, my brothers flew in this afternoon.